Graph the function using the techniques of shifting, compressing, or stretching in reflections. Identify any intercepts on the graph, state the domain, and based on the graph, find the range. So they give us the function f of x is equal to the absolute value of x minus 4. So for the graph, we just have to graph the absolute value function, shift it down 4 units. So let's do it. And now it asks us to identify any intercepts on the graph. So we know that the y-intercept is right here at 0, negative 4. But to find the x-intercepts, we're going to have to set our function equal to 0 and solve for x. So let's do it. So we set our function equal to 0. We isolated the absolute value, and we set its contents equal to the positive and negative value of everything on the right side of the equal sign. From there, we see that the x-intercepts are positive and negative 4. Now the question wants us to determine the domain. Since the domain is the set of all possible x values, we can identify the lowest x value and the highest x value and use those as our boundaries for our domain. So when we do that, we see that we have arrows. These arrows indicate that the domain goes from negative infinity to infinity. And for the range, since the range is the set of all output values, we can identify the lowest output and the highest output and use those as the boundaries of our range. So if we examine our graph, we see that the lowest output is at negative 4. And again, the arrows indicate that the outputs go on to infinity.